Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about ATA Creativity Global, and the ticker symbol is AACG. Now we have observed some of the important things that are happened in this or that are happening in this particular stock, and the reason being we are looking into it more specifically the price change of more than 114% in the last trading session, and you have a big spike as far as the average volume is concerned, where the average volume for the last 3 months was merely 49K, and the last traded volume is more than 13 million shares. So let's see what do we have over here. And apart from that, what we are going to do, we are going to search some online questions and try to answer it as well. So let's go and let's check it out what's there as far as the price trend or price chart is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all notification video to get the upcoming notification of all my videos. Now, uh, first let us see here if you have anything. No, we do not. And on 3rd of December, this was last news. Basically, you can see that it is headquartered in China, so probably we do not have, and it is also listed in US stock exchange, so we probably do not have much info outside the regulatory context, because exchanges require some sort of information to be disclosed. And apart from that, the numbers are quite mixed over here, right? The numbers are definitely quite mixed over here. So rather focusing on that, what we're gonna do, we will going to find out some of the basic things. Then we will go to the chart and let's see what's happening over there, as well as if there is any recent news we have. Now, this is what you can see. Now, I mean, there are some basic questions over here, like what does ATA Creativity Global? Okay, or basically, what is it doing? So you can get the answer that it is a provider of a computer-based testing service in China, right? And will ACAG go up? That we are going to look as far as the chart is concerned. Definitely, this question is going to get answered. What does ATAINC do? That I have already. So this is your answer. Okay, you can basically search it out. And will it go to public? This is already public. Okay, so these are some of the basic questions which you can find on Google. I thought to include this as well. And regarding regarding these questions, whether ATA Creativity Global a good investment or AACG a good stock to buy. Now, for these two questions, we are definitely go and check the charts. But before that, you will get answered over there. Let's see if you have anything. Okay, I think this Bazinga actually will. Okay, this is not found. Now, anyways, we do not find any specific headline for that particular company, so we will directly go to the stock and see the chart. So this is what we have here as far as ATINC is concerned. Now, first of all, this chart is very volatile, and whether it's going to be a good investment or whether it's a long term bet, that's very hard to answer, because we do not know. When you're talking about long term, everybody has different perception or perspective. Now, what we can do as a long term, we can go for next couple of weeks or months, not not beyond that. That's the problem we have in each and every cases most of the times. Now, if you're looking at this particular chart, what we have here, that as you can see, this is what you can see as far as the chart is concerned, and stock actually taking support above this line. If I draw a line like this, but at the same time, what does it looks like? It looks like a high volatile chart. And yeah, so this is what it looks like as far as the trend or the chart is concerned. So what you're going to do, you are going to stay within the range. And as far as the investment or buying is concerned, you have to stick to the range, because at the end of the day, when you're saying that you want to buy or you want to make a good investment, obviously you're basically asking for how much profit I'm going to make. So here, if you're looking at this particular chart, $1 is going to be your support or stop loss on the downside. And as far as the upside is concerned, for the time being, there is a very big swing actually, and this swing will push the price in between 19 and 48. Okay, why I'm saying this? Because we don't know whether the stock will go like this or this. That's why I'm considering this range. So what we can expect here is a volatile move on the upside, or just a spike on the upside. Now whether it's going to sustain or not, that's a big question, because it hasn't happened in the last 10 or 11 years. Okay, because the chart goes all the way back to 2010. But what what is it saying is, if you're looking at a trend line, if I draw a trend line like this, a trend line will go and cut through the chart in the middle. So overall the chart is moving upwards, and in this kind of chart there will be one move which will push the stock. I mean, you can't say that this is the level or that is the level. So that is going to be a long term investment. That is going to be the answer of the question: is it a good buy or a good investment? Because it will restrict it to that big movement, and once that movement happens, what you're going to do, you're going to wind up your position and take the profits, but don't go below $1 on the downside. So this is the end of the video, and if you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.